Hello, my lovely learner. Welcome back to Learn Fluent British English. I'm genuinely happy you've chosen to spend these next few minutes with me. This is day 2 of our 5-day Shadowing English Speaking Challenge, and by pressing play today, you've already taken another positive step towards speaking English with confidence. Yesterday, you started building a new habit. Today, we're going to make that habit even stronger. Remember something important. Learning English isn't about becoming perfect overnight. It's about making small improvements every single day. One sentence, one conversation, one practice session at a time. Many learners think they need to know thousands of words before they can speak fluently. That's simply not true. Fluency comes from using the English you already know. The more often you hear natural English, repeat it, and speak it aloud, the more comfortable your brain becomes. That's exactly why shadowing is such a powerful method. When you shadow English, you're training several skills at the same time. Remember, this is more than just an English podcast. This is your speaking gym. Come back every day and practice with me. You're moving from A1 to A2, then to B1 and even B2. And yes, advanced English is possible. You are doing it right now. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. This English podcast is designed to help you improve your speaking skills. You're improving your listening. You're improving your pronunciation. You're improving your speaking rhythm. You're learning where native English speakers naturally pause. You're learning sentence stress. You're becoming more confident every time you open your mouth. And the best part? You don't have to study complicated grammar while you're doing it. You simply listen, you repeat, you improve. That's the beauty of shadowing. So before we begin today's lesson, I'd like you to relax. Sit comfortably. Take a slow, deep breath. Let your shoulders relax. Forget about work. Forget about school. Forget about everything else. For the next few minutes, your only job is to enjoy speaking English. Don't worry if your pronunciation isn't perfect. Don't stop if you make a mistake. Keep going. Every mistake is helping your brain learn something new. Every sentence you repeat is making your English stronger. Every minute you practice today is bringing you closer to your goal. Imagine yourself 6 months from now. Imagine speaking English naturally. Imagine understanding English videos without subtitles. Imagine joining conversations without feeling nervous. Imagine traveling with confidence. Imagine speaking to people from around the world. That future starts today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. And you're already doing something many people never do. You're practicing consistently. That's what successful English learners do. They don't wait until they feel confident. They practice until confidence appears naturally. So I'd like you to make yourself one simple promise. For the next 10 minutes, don't judge yourself. Don't compare yourself with anyone else. Simply listen. Simply repeat. Simply enjoy the process. Your English doesn't have to sound perfect today. It only needs to sound a little better than yesterday. That's real progress. Now, here's how today's lesson will work. First, you'll hear me say the sentence. Listen carefully. Pay attention to my pronunciation. Notice the rhythm. Notice which words are stressed. Then, repeat the sentence aloud. Try to copy the sounds as closely as you can. Don't worry if you can't say everything perfectly. Just keep speaking. Your mouth is learning. Your ears are learning. Your brain is learning. If you need more time, pause the video. Repeat the sentence again. And again. There's no rush. This lesson is about quality, not speed. By the end of today's practice, you'll notice that speaking feels a little more natural. That's because repetition creates confidence. Confidence creates fluency. And fluency creates freedom. So, take one more deep breath. Smile. Believe in yourself. Today is another opportunity to become a better English speaker. I'm right here with you. Let's begin our Day 2 shadowing English speaking practice. Listen carefully, repeat confidently, and most importantly, excellent work! You're becoming more comfortable with English every time you speak. Now, let's take your practice one step further. This time, don't just repeat the words. Pay close attention to the rhythm, the pronunciation, and the natural flow of each sentence. Imagine you're having a real conversation with someone. Speak clearly, speak naturally, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Remember, confidence doesn't appear overnight. It grows every time you open your mouth and practice. Every sentence you repeat today is helping your brain recognize natural English patterns. That's how real fluency develops. Sometimes your pronunciation may not sound exactly the way you want. That's completely normal. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. The difference is that they kept practicing. And today, you're doing exactly the same. As you continue, try to relax your voice. Don't rush. Give each word enough space. Let every sentence flow naturally. Notice how the sounds connect together. Notice where your voice becomes stronger. Notice where it becomes softer. These small details make a huge difference. Instead of trying to sound perfect, try to sound natural. Natural English is always more important than perfect English. Keep your breathing relaxed. Smile as you speak. A relaxed voice sounds clearer, warmer, and more confident. If you miss a word, don't stop. Keep going. If one sentence feels difficult, simply repeat it again after the lesson. Progress comes from repetition, not perfection. Every practice session is another step towards speaking English comfortably in real life. You're training your ears. You're training your mouth. You're training your confidence. And that's something to be proud of. Now, let's continue with a new group of shadowing sentences. Listen carefully, repeat confidently, and enjoy every moment of your English journey.